Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class, we have discussed up to 20 questions, okay? And 21st one I gave you as homework. And even 22 you can try at home because try it as a homework, children, because it's also very easy. Now coming to 23rd question. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes each time. That means they are tossing the coin, 1 rupee coin, 3 times. That means 3 people are tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times. Okay, 3 times you can toss. Otherwise, all together 3 at a time you can toss. And Hanif wins if all the tosses gives the same result. Means if Hanif is going to win when if all the tosses gives the same result. That means like 3 heads or 3 tails. Okay. And loses otherwise. That means otherwise he will lose the game. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Okay. Now first write what are the chances you are getting. Okay. What are the chances you are getting? First write the 23rd one. Okay. 23rd solution. Okay, children. Right now, all possible outcomes first. All possible outcomes. That means H, T, T. You can write H, no problem. T. Next H, T, H, T. Anything else? HHT over, THT over, TTH over. Anything else? HTH, TTH over, THT over, HHT over. Still remaining one circuit, triple H. Okay. Next triple T. Next HHT. Yes. Next HTH. Okay. Next HTT. We missed it. So HTT. Okay. So total how many? All possible outcomes are these. Okay. That means number of all possible outcomes equals to number of, first write number of all possible outcomes equals to 8. All possible outcomes equals to 8. Okay. Next is asking for the what? Favorable outcomes. Okay. So favorable outcomes means what? Is asking that to find the remaining. When he is going to win, when you are getting 3 heads and 3 tails, Hanif will win when 3 heads and 3 tails. But is asking the probability of not winning. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. That means 6 times he failed. So right now, number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes equals to 6. Okay. Now P of probability is asking now what probability of Hanif will lost the game. Hanif lost the game. Okay. That equals to 6 by 8. So 2 3s, 2 4s. So 3 by 4. Okay, children? Is it clear? So next 24th question. Okay? So get ready with the 24th question now. See the next question, children. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and 5 will come up at least once. Okay. So before doing this solution, first here a die is thrown 2 times. Okay. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there for one die. This is another die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first find out the possible outcomes. Means, okay, possible outcomes. 1 ones are. That means this is one die, this is another die. You are throwing like this. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, so on like that. 4, 5, 6. So total, in this line you have see 6, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is total number of favorable, and the total number of outcomes is 36. Because if you are throwing a die 2 at a time, you have get chances 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Like that you will get. So like that, how many possible chances you will get? 6 means here in each 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means total possible outcomes are 36. Okay. Now question number, that is 24. First write number of all possible outcomes. Number of all possible outcomes. Okay, that is 36. Now see the first question. What is the first question you asked? 5 will not come up either time. First question, 5 will not come up either time. That means what is the number having 5? You just take out those. That means here 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. And 5 completely you have to remove. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 6. That means, see the question. If 5 will not come up either time, means 5 will not come up either time. 5 is not there at all in the coming up. Okay. So that except the 5 remaining. Okay. Means the number which is related to the 5 you should not take at all. The remaining we can take. So count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So how many are there now? 25. So number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes equals to 25. What are those? You know, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, except the number which is related to 5. Okay, you can remove that and remaining you can take it. Okay. Now, probability of, that is P of 5 will not come up either time. 5 will not come up either time. Okay, that is 25 by 36. Okay. Now see the next question. 5 will come up at least once. 5 will come at least once. That means 1, 5. Okay. 2, 5. 3, 5. 4, 5. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5. Now we have to count how many are those. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 are there. That means number of favorable outcomes equals to how many? 11. So P of probability. 5 will come up. 5 will come up at least once. at least once. That is 11 by 36. Okay children. So by this we completed this chapter. 25th question, they are asking that whether it is correct reason or not. You can tell very easily children. If not, no problem. Okay, in offline class you can ask me or you can text me also, no problem. Okay, so 15.2 optional. Okay, you just try yourself. In that any doubts, you just feel free to call. Okay, and in online class or an offline class, get ready with the always with the doubts, so immediately we can clarify our doubts. Okay, then and there. Okay children, have a nice day. And children, be serious. Once again I'm telling, don't think Srinivas is always telling like this. So be serious. Okay, this is very very important time for you to get good marks, as I told you that. Okay, so I know that you can do miracles. Okay, miracles in the sense coming in the last, right from the in the school, not that one. You have to be first. Comparing with all the schools, you should be first. Okay children, have a nice day and have a bright future. Okay.